Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we check if a given matrix is a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is one where all elements outside the main diagonal are zero. Let's get started. A diagonal matrix has zero values for all elements except those on the diagonal. Our goal is to validate whether a given matrix meets this condition. This program uses nested loops to iterate through the rows and columns of the matrix. It checks if any non-diagonal element is non-zero. If found, it returns false. Otherwise, it returns true. The program iterates through the matrix using nested loops. It checks each non-diagonal element and ensures it's zero. If any non-zero value is found, the function immediately returns false. Otherwise, it returns true after completing the loop. Let's analyze these examples. For the first matrix, all non-diagonal elements are zero, so it is a diagonal matrix. For the second matrix, user matrix 1, 2 is 3, which violates the condition, so it is not a diagonal matrix. This optimized solution uses the every method to validate the matrix. It checks that all rows meet the diagonal matrix condition with a concise and readable way. Edge cases to consider include an empty matrix which is trivially diagonal, non-square matrices which cannot be diagonal, and single element matrices which are always diagonal. In summary, this program checks if a matrix is diagonal by validating its non-diagonal elements. The implementation is efficient and handles common edge cases gracefully. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.